Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Subscribe to the channel, get new and interesting videos and press the bell button. Like, write, comments and share. Let's go, latest gadget videos. Standard e-bike. Reintroducing the world most affordable vehicle electronics bikes. Standard e-bike surging the electronics bike marketplace and become best-selling e-bike in a few short months. And now it here to do it again. Its powerful 315 weight motors, all terms trees and speed of up to 20 miles, and all available for a limited time at this unbeatable price. The folding bike everyone been waiting for has been taken to the extreme. Standard has a 48 volt and 12 Ah battery, then nearly double U range and paired with a 500 motors of offer extremely secure towing capacity and hill climb power like never before seen in a standard. Standard is the latest frame surge in transportation, and its double visual and eye-catching design and what make it a standard. Standard the ideal choice for extremely smart conversation transport, no matter where you live, in two simple, hold and less than 10 seconds. Standard is really for effectively steps in just about any space. Lume Cube Stove. The stove is the world's first customer-friendly and custom drum light compatible with every drone on the market. The stove was designed to be as lightweight and powerful as possible to stave all FAA guidelines for anti-closing lighting to keep your drone breathing well past the sunset and into the dark. The stove is visited from 3+ miles away. Can flash white, red or green, invisible from 360 degrees, and has multiple light module, include a stored place of 1 horsepower, 60 stop place second, waiting in at whipping 10 grams and stop with little to no impact of your drone flight, perfect and pocketbook in pad color. The large scanner uses new color E-like technology, making the device idea of reading any types of controls from orderly black and white books to colorful instant close children books, business list and magazine. Search the device is equipped with the latest 7x8 E-Link color TIM plus E-Link new color TM color scanner club to displaying 496 color